Discover the excellence of Ravel Institute of Nursing, GNM and BSc nursing courses. First male nursing college in Kolkata. Looking to kickstart your nursing career? Welcome to Ravel Institute of Nursing, where excellence meets education. Our General Nursing and Midwifery, GNM, and Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BSc Nursing, programs are designed to shape the healthcare leaders of tomorrow. Learn from experienced faculty. Gain hands-on clinical experience. Access state-of-the-art facilities. Join Ravel Institute of Nursing to embark on a fulfilling and rewarding journey in the field of healthcare. Want to learn more? Visit our website, www.ravelinstitute.com, or call us, +91 96416 92326/94341 55753. Join us and pave your path to success in healthcare.